Do you guys have space that is in your garage that you're looking to maximize the most amount of storage? Well, this metal shelf, I highly recommend. So sit back, watch me put this together, and see how simple it is. Enjoy the show. All right, thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate it. Well, as you saw, it was super simple to go ahead and put the larger one together. All I do recommend is make sure that you use a rubber mallet so that way you could lock them into place, and then zip ties so that way the zip ties will hold the metal crate that's on top down to the structure itself. But the cool thing is they are able to hold up to 1,500 pounds. The smaller one that's there, it's also universal for what you need it to do in the space that you have in your garage. In this case, we put them side by side at certain levels for what the client needed. But if you wanted to, you could actually stack these on top of one another. So that way you could have a 48-inch wide unit that goes probably about 6 feet tall. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see some more cool content. And again, always stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.